And then, how about the aforementioned that we talked about with Jeff Lynne, the 1960 Borgward Isabella Sport Coupe, which we actually have now sold.
Yes.
Ivory and Flamingo Red over red, 87,902 actual miles, 1,493 cc, overhead valve 4-cylinder with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got an independent suspension, and this is one that you rarely see. They don't have one at the Lane Motor Museum, which is surprising. I thought for sure when I was going through the list that we'd see a Borgward there.
He said he had one that was in bad shape.
Yeah.
To restore one of these, I can't imagine. You're talking about $100,000 for a $40,000 car.
Yeah, and the parts are unobtainium.
He's making parts.
Yeah, you'd be like, 3D printing? Here I come.
Pass
better learn
pass
that
on
crap.
that one.